Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning February 13th to the 19th 2023 using the school days kit from SBC. I did pair it with some foil from Alicia Crafts. I don't remember what this green was called, but it was like a green foil. This spread had a bunch of unexpected extenders, which I don't know if I did them on camera or did it while I was doing the day by day. But yeah, I had a lot of things to mark. I have decided not to mark so many things in this planner because it's going to get chunky. But at the time, I was marking every single thing, even if I had marked it in my other planner. But yeah, so if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the rest of the base to some music, and I'll be back for the day by day. Enjoy. Okay, so that's the base all done and completed. So first, starting with the sidebar, I used this pencil icon from the foil bundle to note that Alex started nursery and then got us all ill in the process of that. So that was a very fun week for us. So starting with Monday, first thing I marked was that we overslept. I used this alarm clock icon from Temple of Crafts to note that. I then noted getting ready very speedily with the sticker from Make Plans. I then used this backpack icon from the foil bundle to note that I packed my school bag. I used this school icon from, I think it's from Papershire to note going to nursery. I used another pencil icon from the foil bundle to note that this was his second set session, but this time we had to leave him for an hour and my husband did come with us this day. So I used this couple sticker hugging to note that we left Malik for an hour. But we were still in the building, but we wasn't in the room. We were like downstairs in the waiting area. I then used this crying sticker from, well, the baby crying sticker from Sweet Eva's paper to note that we could hear him crying as we were leaving, and like a little bit afterwards, just because, you know, when you have a baby, you know they're crying. So this is where I added an extra extender, but I don't know if I showed you because I wasn't looking. But yes, I then noted that the nursery gave him a birthday card. His birthday was on the following Monday, but they gave him a birthday card this time, which was good because they didn't see him until a week after his birthday. Then used this balloon icons from, I think it was from the UP studio, who's no longer open, to note that they gave him a birthday card. I then used this planner icon from the foil bundle to note memory planning with a memory plan script from Carly Plans. Next, I noted that Malik I was memory planning on my phone while he was in the nursery, by the way. Then noted that he did super duper good after like calming down with this A+ icon from the foil bundle. I then noted after going home, cutting some stickers with the silhouette sticker. I think it's from a shop that I don't like, so I'm not going to mention it. I don't know where that's from. If it is from that shop, I'm not going to mention it because I don't think you should buy from them. Then use the sticker sheet sticker from the Crafty Planner Co. This is the older version of her stickers. To note pulling stickers, the pull stickers script is from Carly Plans. I then noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner from Luna Designs. Next I noted sorting through clothes with this Mount Fold More sticker from Fox and Cactus. I then used this scissors icon from the For You bundle to note rearranging the room. And then I noted Catalan Malik with this sticker from Make Plans and a cutter script also from Make Plans. Okay, that's what's in the extender. At the bottom part of the day, I noted that Malik threw up all over me. This was the start of a terrible week, I'm telling you guys. I used a sticker from Whimsy to mark that. I noted that we had a super fussy night this day. So I don't know if he caught what he caught here or if that was just a fluke, who knows. So I used this Munchkin to note that, and then I used this TV from OK Plans to note watching Love Island. Moving on to Tuesday, which was Valentine's Day. But I don't think I marked it in the week because, to be honest, I forgot. I had so much other things to mark because this was his first official day of nursery. So I noted waking up early with an alarm clock from Temple of Crafts. I then noted that my husband gave me a surprise Valentine's Day gift because we don't really celebrate Valentine's Day, and I even forgot that it was that, so I was super surprised. So I used this present icon. I think it's from the PlanWithAds. I then used this bath sticker from a freebie, I don't know where, to note bath time. The bath time, this is from Simply Mess, that's where it's from. And the bath time script is from Planner Hannah. I then used this Valentine's Day truck icon from Stick With The Plank Code to note that I had to de-ice my car. So I tried to use a lot of lovey-dovey icons where I could, just to bring in the Valentine's Day, since this was definitely not a Valentine's Day spread. I then noted dropping Malik off to nursery with the sticker from What's More of Love. And then I used this first day of school sticker also from What's More of Love to note that it was his first full day. I used this planner and sticker sheet icon from PlanWithAds to note filming a plan with me. The script is from Sugarbox Stickers. Then noted having my morning cup of tea once I got back home with this sticker from Stick With The PlanWithAds, also from like a Valentine's Day sheet. I have another extender at the bottom of the day that I didn't have at the start. So first I noted Missing Malik with this sticker from What's More of Love. I noted that our sofa arrived with the sofa sticker from Carly Plant and a Happy Meal sticker from Sugarbox Stickers. Then noted organising the living room with these candles icons from PlanWithAds. I noted a Plan With Me binge with this planner icon. I think it's from... It's either from Stick With The PlanWithAds or the PlanWithAds. I think it's from Stick With The PlanWithAds because it was all on the Valentine's Day sheets that I pulled out for the pink days of this week. I then noted doing the dishes with the sticker from Paper Candy Arts. Then I noted doing some voiceovers with this Olive Studio sticker and a voiceover script from Carly Plant. I then noted that it was that Malik had a really good day. Is that what I marked? I'm pretty sure that Malik had a really good day with the sticker from Stick With The PlanWithAds and an awesome day script from Tilly Journals. Then noted doing some editing with a laptop icon from Olive Studio and an edit script from Planner Face. And used the strawberries from the PlanWithAds sheet to note order and take out. The script is from Make Plans. I then noted that Malik was giving me all the kisses when he got home with this heart icon from the PlanWithAds. Then use another silhouette sticker from that same shop to note that the silhouette cut super deep, and it was not fun having to individually pick up each script from the mat. That's how deep it cut. I then used this Luna sticker from Papershire to note watching Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. The script is from Bella Planella. And that is Tuesday. So moving on to Wednesday. The first thing I marked on Wednesday, that was payday, and I didn't expect to be paid this day because I was still on maternity leave and I was starting the following week, but I did get paid, so I was really excited. So I used the sticker from Stuck On You Designs and a payday script from Sugarbox Stickers, I think. And then oversleeping again with this alarm clock icon from Templar's Craft. Then getting ready with this Make Plans girl. And then noted dropping Malik off of the sticker from What's More of Love. I noted going back home and organising my stickers with this Mr. and Mrs. Mintco sticker and a script from Planner Hannah. Then made some scripts, so I used this Olive Studio laptop to note that. Then I had tea. I used a Pink Diamond PlanWithAds Valentine's Day mug to note that. Then I used this Olive Studio sticker to note a Plan With Me binge. Next, I noted ordering some more stickers with the sticker sheet sticker from the PlanWithAds. Then use this printer from PMD Stickers to note I started printing some printables, which was the first time I did that. Then noted organising my shelves with this ScribblePrintsCo gel. Next, I picked up Malik, so I used another Once More with Love sticker to note that. Then cooked some prawn curry. I used a chopping board from PMD Stickers, I think. Yeah, and a cook script from Happy Sticker Designs, who I do PR for. So use my code IDEA215 to get 15% off of your order and my freebie. To note cooking some prawn curry. And then I use this trainers icon from Paper Candy Art to note organising my shoes, my wardrobe, at the bottom of the wardrobe. Then I use this film movie reel thing from Paper Candy Art to note watching more Love Island. On to Thursday. So at the top of Thursday, I noted having my weekly print impression Zoom meeting, which is technically on the 15th in the US, but it was like at 2 a.m. for me. So I know that first thing on Thursday, I used this girl from Paper Dolls Co because I think that noted how tired I was perfectly. I then noted that Malik started throwing up like in that AM/PM, like 3-4 o'clock in the morning time, with another whimsy throwing up girl. I then noted I got up and got ready, but I had to like bath because there was throw up everywhere anyways, with this sticker from McPlans. In the extender, I noted that Malik was too ill for nursery, so I used this tissue box from Carly Plans to note that, and I did have to call in and let them know. And this was only his third day, imagine. I then used this box from Paper Candy Art to note getting some Happy Mail and scripters from Sugar Box Stickers. I then noted doing some planning in my 52 weeks planner with this sticker from Stick with the PlanWithAds. I used the Lina Designs planner to note apply with me binge, and then I used this teacup from the Crafty Planner code to note having my morning tea. Next, I noted putting all my clothes away with this laundry icon from Paper Candy Art. And then I noted having some family cuddles in the living room with this sticker from Fox and Cactus and a family cuddles custom script from PlanWithAds. I then noted filming a plan with me with this camera icon from Planner Face and a film plan with me script from Adorable Me Designs. I noted watching Love Island with a TV from Pink Diamond Plant. No, Paper Candy Art. Goodness me. Then finally noted that it was another rough night of throwing up and sickness with this sticker from Sweet Ava's Paper. Moving on to Friday. So the first thing I noted on Friday was that my husband was working from home with the sticker from Fox and Cactus and the script from McPlans. Then noted that Malik finally slept, so he didn't sleep all night. He slept in the morning with the sticker from Beneath His Creation. I then noted getting ready where he was sleeping with the sticker from McPlans. And then used this Barbie Bear Studio sticker to note going to my mum's house. I used this car icon from PMD Stickers to note there was no parking because it was Friday and there's a mosque next to my mum's house now. So obviously the time that I went, people went to Jummah prayer, so there was no parking outside of the house, which was a bit stressful because I had the baby. If I was by myself, I wouldn't mind having to walk a long way, but I just kept driving around and around and around until I found a space. I then used this like meal prepping sticker from PMD Stickers to note shopping my mum's fridge. I then used this car icon from Temple Loves Crafts to note there was traffic on the way home. And then I noted watching Love Island with a TV icon from Oko Plants. Next, I noted having a super late dinner with this whimsy planned sticker. And then I noted that Malik was crying all night with this sticker from Sweet Ava's Paper. Then noted that he was also throwing up all night with this bath sticker from Once More for Love. I don't think I bathed him that night. I just did lots of wiping down, but I think that was the only sticker I had at the time to use. On to Saturday. So first I used a love bed from Crafty Planner Code to note the entire day. The script is from SBC, I think. I then noted that Malik was super fussy this morning with this sticker from Sweet Ava's Paper and a script from Daily Journals. Then noted that I was starting to feel ill, like nauseous ill, with this tissue box sticker from Carly Plans. Next I noted a YouTube binge with a YouTube sticker from Pink Diamond Planner Pixie Co. All these shops names are just a blur in my brain. And a YouTube binge script from McPlans. I then noted that I threw up all over, and I couldn't contain it. It was bad. Sorry if that's too much information. I used this nausea gel. I think this was from my pregnancy sheets, but that's what I was doing, so I had to use that sticker. I then noted having some tea because I did not want to eat. I didn't eat all day actually. With this teacup sticker from Papershire from like a Valentine's Day sheet. Then noted cleaning everywhere because, you know, I threw up. With the spray bottle from Paper Candy Art and a cleaning day script from Happy Sticker Designs. Then use another one of those love beds from PlanWithAds to note having a really lazy day in bed with Malik. And the script is from Planner Hannah. I then noted watching some more Harry Potter with 2 Harry Potter scribblers from SBC, and these scripts are from Bella Ella. So we watched Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1 and 2. This was the end of my Harry Potter binge, which took like a year hiatus. On to Sunday. So Sunday, I noted that Malik had a better night with the sticker from PMG Stickers. I used another tissue box icon from Kylie Plans to know I was still feeling a little bit ill, but I hadn't thrown up. I don't think I threw up this day. I might have. Who knows? I then noted that my husband made us some breakfast with this sticker from Whimsy. Then I used this bumblebee with the hot drink sticker from Sweet Kawaii Design to note having some more morning tea. I then used this planner sticker from Linda Designs to note a plan with me binge. I used this XOXO sticker from the Crafty Planner Code to note cuddles with Malik, and I used this script from Mick Plans. I used another Crafty Planner Code sticker to note a lazy day. The script is from Kylie Plans. And then I note that my husband was building Malik's crib, like the big crib, with the sticker from Mick Plans. I noted organised the stickers with a Crafty Planner Co. sticker sheet sticker and an organised sticker script from Mr. and Mrs. Mink Co. I noted my memory planner with another planner from Linda Designs and a memory plan script from Kylie Plans. I used this highlighter icon from, I think it's from from Pink Diamond Planet, from Paper Candy Art. Goodness me, I'm so sorry, and I'm not going to cut this out because I just can't be bothered to note doing some plan with me prep. I used this popcorn sticker from Paper Milk to note watching After Sun, and then I used this TV from Monkey Plans to note watching Love Island. I should have done it the other way around, but I think it's just how spacing worked. I did it this way because obviously I watched Love Island first. So that was the end of this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought of the spread, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.